welcome back to my channels. Today I'm taking you to the beautiful beach after a very long time due to the lockdown. To be honest, I have been waiting for this exciting day since yesterday. After 7 days without any new positive cases in the communities, our government has released the lockdown and we are able to go out a little bit, but we still wear masks and avoid gatherings in crowd. The sun is getting on, so it's difficult for me to open my eyes. It is lovely mornings, windy and lots of sunshine, and I'm at the beach called Tân Thành, which is about 1 kilometer from An Bang Beach from the south. The beach is a little bit more quiet than An Bang, but it's still gorgeous. Is it getting more people in the early mornings or late afternoons, with people swimming, running, or relaxing, just lying and relaxing. I was here late afternoon yesterday and it is super crowded. Hoi An is not only a must-see destination for travels, but also a lovely city to live in. I mean, just for those who fancy a slow and peaceful life, but it could be boring for people that love a fascinating and bustling life. Living in Hanoi for almost 10 years now, I have got used to with the busy life, the rush hour, and Hanoi gave me so many opportunities for my career and self-development. Yeah, but I just see myself more in this beautiful small town. That's why I have moved in. I love the peace, the fresh air, and the rice field that's similar to my hometown. And you know, it's really amazing to go to the beach every day and swimming and doing yoga and breathing the fresh air. I have no idea how long I will stay here, but for now, I'm just blessed to able to live here. To me, my home is somewhere that gives me the happiness and freedom. I have seen loads of foreign visitors traveling to Vietnam and decide to settle down in Hoi An. And if you have ever been to Hoi An and you just love these beautiful cities, I hope to see you here. Let me know if you are coming. So that is for today's video. I hope you learn something more about these beautiful cities, and yeah, I'm really happy with my life now. Yeah, and bye bye for now, and see you in the next video. Bye.